Good evening. News came this past week that the country had decided not to submit a bid to host the 2019 IAAF World Relays. The vacancy was created when the Bahamas, which has hosted the meet for the 3 staging so far, had opted out of hosting next year's event, citing financial problems. Led by the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, the local governing body for track and field, the country had indicated an interest to the IAAF, the international governing body, to host the event, which has been growing in popularity. Now, given the country's increasing interest in marketing sports tourism, the World Relays seemed like a good fit. Jamaica is a world force in athletics and owns the world record in the 4x100 meters men, and our women have recorded the second fastest time in the world also in the sprint relay, bettered only by the United States. In the longer sprints, our relay teams are among the world's top 10. Geographically, we are ideally located and easily accessible from all major destinations. As seen from the Jamaica Invitational and the Racers Grand Prix, athletes love Destination Jamaica. Off the track are beaches, restaurants, bars, hotels, and other places of entertainment are rated among the world's best. It therefore stands to reason that certainly from those standpoints, we are ready to host an event of the size of the World Relays. But draw breaks. As articulated by the Minister of Sport, Olivia Grange, there are other issues to consider with simply not enough time to put all the mechanisms in place for next year's staging. Among the major concerns, our national stadium, which was last renovated ahead of the 2002 World Junior Championships, is in need of another major overhaul. The Media Tribune is uncomfortable for local journalists and certainly is not ready to host the mass of international media that would seek to cover the Relay Festival. The National Stadium facility also needs cover in more areas and just generally is not at the stage where it is ready to attract international attention. So Minister Grange declined 2019, disappointingly so for the Dr. Warren Blake-led J3s. However, according to the minister, this should not be seen as a negative, but rather an opportunity to get ourselves better prepared for the 2021 staging. As much as I had started to relish the hype of hosting the World Relays next year, I am sympathetic to the view enunciated by the minister. To me, it is better to wait and put ourselves in a better circumstance than to host the event before we are ready and flop. But Minister, we are watching you. Do not put this project on the back burner to be resurrected just before 2021. If we want to put on a world-class show, we need to start the preparations now. I'm Karen Madden. Good evening.